Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So this time I'm unboxing the Gizmore Vogue watch. So this I ordered from Flipkart day before yesterday, and it reached me within 2 days. But right now they are doing this open box verification. So the Flipkart agent had come and he had opened the box to check if the contents were all correct. So guys, so this is how the watch looks when unboxed. Actually guys, I was surprised because the quality of the strap is just amazing. You won't believe it. And this has a metal build also. The crown, everything is in metal, guys. This watch oozes quality, I would say. So before that, let's see what are the contents inside. We have a couple of 2 or 3 buttons on the side. So let's see what are the contents inside the box. So we have the packaging, okay, and we have a booklet also. So this is again the Gizmore branding is shown here, right? And there's a thermocol kind of container, and here is what is interesting, guys. Yes, that's it. Gizmore gives us a wireless charger. Yes, you heard it right. Gizmore gives us a wireless charger. So just let me open this. Okay, so let me open the packaging of the wireless charger and see how it looks. Oh my god, gosh, this is just amazing, guys. This is just the wireless charger which they are providing. See, only this is for 1,999. I don't think so any other watch is giving you a wireless charger. SmartWatch is giving you a wireless charger with the watch. So I'm going to give you a demo of all these things coming up. Right, do we have anything? Yes, we have another piece of paper which says thank you for your purchase, and this is where you need to download the app by scanning the pattern. So we also have a 1-year warranty on this watch. Alright guys, so just alright guys, we'll see how the watch is. Before that, let me switch off the watch. I think this is the switch off button, but long pressing it, yes, long pressing it does switch off the watch. And let me remove this protective cover of the watch. Wow, it has this LED lights. Okay, please wear your wristband correctly. Right, okay, no issues. Let me just first unbox you, bro. 1 second. Yeah, here we go. So let me just unbox this beast, guys. Okay, so this is the plastic wrap. Wow, that sound of the new watch. Okay, so let me just see how the display. Guys, I don't believe it. The display is just amazing. This is just unbelievable, guys. And the quality, man, this is like too good. Like, I think they've given us one of the best build quality in a watch. I think this is absolutely like the Apple Watch Ultra. It's just ditto, I would say. And this is how the base of the watch is. This is how the LED, the measurement, the sensors are placed here. And you can see HR pedometer sensor, and we have the serial number also here of the watch. So this is basically the watch, guys. So let me see. So if you swipe from up, you have the music, you have the battery percentage, you have the settings, and the dark mode and the lock mode. A lot of things, guys. Cool. So how do you, yeah, and this button, there's a button over here that will also activate the watch. And if you long press, let me see if yes, long press, you can power off, and there's a SOS button. So this is basically, and you have a taskbar or recent task also. Wow, that's also nice. So let me just clear everything. Yes, it's cleared. So when you turn the crown on the left, you have different notifications, like your activity and all, like, then again you rotate upward. Yes, you get different wallpapers. This is most likely the same wallpaper as we see in these recent new smartwatches. and we have yeah, other wallpapers. But guys, look at the bezel of this watch. This is like, I thought the Pebble Cosmos had very little bezel, but this is like the king of smartwatches where very little bezels are seen. So these are the other wallpapers. So this is also, so we have different wallpapers. Well, this is actually like the same Apple Watch Ultra wallpaper. So I haven't connected this watch into the software, so I'll give you a brief introduction of the software also. So here also we have the speaker, there's one more button, and there's a mic also here. Yeah, we have two microphone holes like on both the sides. I don't know, 2 or 3. Yeah, I think yeah, it is 2, like one on the left and one on the right. And I'm just amazed of the build quality, guys. Unbelievable build quality. So alright guys, so let me check the wireless charging capability of this watch and see how it performs. So let me take the USB out and let me place it here. I don't know if it's like here. Okay, we'll place it here and connect it to my Realme power bank and see how it charges. Right, so let me, how do you charge it? Okay, let me just put it over here. How do you charge it? I have no idea. Is it like this? Let me check. How do you charge this? Like here, you have to put it inside. Yes, that's it guys. This is how you charge it. You have to put the watch on top of this module, this wireless charger, and it will get charged. So this is how it will get charged. So I hope you had you come to know how this thing is getting charged. There's a slight magnetic power also to this charger guys. So that is how see, it actually sticks onto the watch. So that is how it is getting wirelessly charged. And there is always on display also in the watch. So let me just check how it looks. So let's just check the always on display. So guys, when you go to the settings, you can customize the button. That's a good feature. See, this is a customized button. You can put it for SOS, position, exercise, music, heart rate. So there are different levels of customization available. So you can customize the button according to your preference. And then there's off-screen watch face. Let me just see. Brighter the screen setting. Okay, fine. The screen off time. Though I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is the, what do you call the, yes, this is the off-screen watch face guys. So this is mostly like, yeah, so this is mostly like the always on display, which you can find on the Apple Watch Ultra and other Apple watches. But here you can set a time, like at what time till you want the display to be. And let me see if I can customize it again. Screen wallpaper, here you go. Screen off time. Yes, that's it guys. So you can increase the screen on time or the off time for a long time. That is, maximum will be 180 seconds. But I think this is because they want to preserve the battery of the watch. So that's it. Okay, now let's go to raise to wake up. Yes, raise wrist, that is there. So 7 o'clock to evening to 11 o'clock, the raise to wake up function will work. And the bedside clock is also there. So if you put that, maybe you'll get a clock notification. And wait, and then there's a vibration sensitivity. And you can set the time, language, the password, reset info, about, and power off. So these are the main menu functions you get. And I think the battery is pretty powerful guys. It's still on 85%. It is not moving. And this is the the music connectivity and the call connectivity options. So before that, I thought I'll just give you a comparison of the Pebble Cosmos Ultra, which is also the largest selling smartwatches right now. And you can see the difference between the displays. Like, I think, I don't know, like, because this is a bigger display, this is 1.95 inches and this is 1.9 inches, like around a little bit of 0.5 millimeter difference on both of these watches. But I really love this Pebble Cosmos now looks very outdated when you compare it to the Vogue Gizmos. So I think there's no need for comparison here because I feel the Cosmos needs a little bit of update. Okay, and well, you cannot even compare it to the Gizmo. And if you swipe it to the left, from the left you will get again the heart rate and the settings and the Bluetooth call notification. And if you swipe it from the right, you get activity notification. Oh, that's also cool. Yeah, we have the heart rate, everything is done, SpO2, the music, and you can add different shortcuts. So from the down, if you press the crown also, it goes to the home screen. That's nice. Swiping it from the back gives you the message notification. Yeah, that's it, just goes to the message. So let's go to the software. So guys, in order to in order to get the access, or you have to give all the permissions or the notifications for the watch. So here you can see, you can go to quick settings, and then again you have to go to VFit here, and then see allow all access notifications. Okay, you have to give this, otherwise it won't give you any notifications. And then again go back, display on top of other applications. So again you have to go for VFit here, and then allow over other applications. So these permissions should be given, otherwise I don't think so you can get the maximum out of this watch. Also the GPS positioning. So let me auto start this. Okay, and again select the background self. Well, enable turn on. Yes, here you go. VFit is already turned on, that is fine. So these are the main permissions which we have to give in order for the watch to work effectively. So here you can see the connectivity rates. I'm gonna check the heart rate. Okay, now it's testing. Let's see how it's getting tested. So this is how the heart rate is getting tested, guys. I hope it will be accurate. Yes, 77, 78. Yeah, normal. It's not a big thing. Yes, almost 81. That was very fast actually. The heart rate is measured within a very short span of time. All right. So that is basically the software, guys. And we also have the sleep, the blood oxygen, all those things, which I believe should be accurate, because I've seen other YouTubers also doing accurate tests on the watch. And we have outdoor running option also. So if you go for running outdoor, you can select this, and then you can determine the amount of kilometers, etc., which you've done. So I'm going to stop this right now. Yeah, okay. Now again, let me go back. Oh, you have to hold it to stop. Fine. Okay, so each time the workout is stopped, you can get a notification from the watch. Let me just go back to the VFit app, and we have equipment. Okay, so we can customize the dial by selecting wallpaper. So alright guys, for incoming call, you need to give permissions for getting access to the incoming call. So let me just give the permission, and the app notification reminder is there. So from here you can select which all things you need to be notified. So I'm selecting certain things which as I need to get notified of. So this is how you get the notifications to the watch. So that was how you need to set up the notifications. And then we have some more options which I think are unnecessary for me. Set entry reminder, bracelet, alarm, clock, and all. Well, I don't think so I need this. And emergency contact address. A lot of settings, guys, for this on this app. Well, because even the Pebble, Cosmos, etc. also, because they also don't have such kind of big vast settings which I am seeing on this software. And this is again your own settings, units, your measurements, everything. Okay guys, so let's see the speaker sound of this watch. I'm going to play Spotify, and let's see how the sound quality of the watch is. So this is how the quality of the speaker is. Okay, let's see how the call quality of the watch is, guys. So hello. So how is the call quality? Can you hear me?
Good.
Yeah, like how was your school today?
Nice.
And can you tell me how was it very humid and hot there in your school?
It was hot.
Okay. And how are your friends doing? What's the name of your best friend?
Velu.
No, can you a little bit longer? Can you say any sentence? What is the name of your teacher?
Jamal.
Okay, but you can hear me clearly in the phone.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the call quality, guys. I don't see any breakup or any kind of noise disturbance or anything on this watch. So I just did a WhatsApp call on this watch, and this is how it looks like. So that's it about the new Gizmore Vogue watch, guys. If you prefer to buy this, you definitely can go for this watch. I would say the battery life, if you put the always on display, it's just about 2 days. You'll get around 2 days. But if you switch off the always on display, you will get a very long standby time. And also, if you switch on this music mode, you'll also get very long standby time. So, from my opinion, I think I will give this definitely, 8 out of 10 regarding the call quality and the music quality. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.